Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create a full song using AI in less than 10 minutes with a tool called Suno. You don't need to know how to sing, you don't need to know how to produce beats, you don't need to know any music software, you don't even need to know how to mix and master. All you need is a phone or a laptop and an idea. And by the end of this video, you have your own full AI generated song ready to download and share. And note, you can also upload this music on YouTube, Spotify, Apple Music, Audiomack, using any distribution platform you like, either TuneCore, DistroKid, CD Baby, or anyone of your choice. So right now, let's get started. So the first step in creating your AI music with Suno is by creating an account with Suno. And so let's get started by typing suno.com in our address bar. So here's the website or the tool we are going to use to create the AI music. It's called Suno. And the first step in doing this is to create an account or to sign up with Suno. So you head over to sign in or sign up. You can use your Apple ID, you can use your Discord account, Facebook, Google, or Microsoft, or your normal phone number. But for this video, I already have a paid account with Suno. I already have a pro version, a pro plan. So all I have to do is to head over to my Google, then click on it to sign up, and to take a few seconds. So here's my account. I already have some credits because I've been using the Suno to generate music, yeah, for other of my YouTube channel. So let's head over by clicking the create button to start creating music immediately. No time to waste. So you head over to this left hand tab and click on create. If you're using a PC version, you see the create here. If you're using a mobile version, you see it elsewhere. So we have the simple type of generation, or we have the custom. The simple is you want the AI to automate everything, the lyrics and the this. You just have to write the song description on how you want it to sound like. Then it will generate a song by itself with the lyrics and everything. But for this video, we are going with the custom. So when you click the custom, you see the lyrics part. Here you write down the lyrics you want to use for the song. You can still set it for AI to do it for you. I'll show you that. But here you write some lyrics or a prompt for the instrumental. In this video, I'll still show you how to generate lyrics for this part. Then over to the style, you see the minor chord, French chord, underground trap. How you want this song to sound like? The female voice. You want it to be trap. You want it to be R&B. You want it to be Afro beats. The instruments you want in the song. You want drums. You want keyboard. You want saxophone. This is where you input all that. Then over to this advanced option, you see the vocal gender you want to use. You can decide to use male or female based on the vocals you want, if it's a male or if it's a female. Then the lyric mode, you have the manual and the auto. This manual is the one you input the lyrics by yourself. Then this auto, you let the AI, the Suno AI, to generate lyrics for you. And if you come over here, you see that the lyrics have been disabled. The lyrics tab have been disabled because AI will do that for you. So no need to input the lyrics. Then over here, you see the song title where you input the song title, the name of the song you want to generate. So right now, let's head over to Cloud. We'll be using Cloud. You can still use ChatGPT. You can use any AI. You can use Gemini to generate lyrics. But for this video, we'll be using the Cloud AI to generate lyrics. Let's head over to the next step. Okay, so this next step is generating lyrics for your song. So we head over to this tab and type Cloud AI, and click on the AI. And this is my Cloud AI account. Note I'm using the free plan, so you can still use an upgraded plan. It's the same thing, or it's not the same thing. I think there are some perks, but the free plan can also give us what we want. So no need to pay for this tutorial. So we'll be using the free version. don't know, my internet is quite slow. So this is it. So I have a prompt I've already copied. I have a prompt I've already copied for this tutorial. So I'll just have to Control V and paste it. So in this prompt, you see create a professional heartbreak music lyrics with this title, Tears Don't Lie. I need up to 4 verses and chorus after every verse. Incorporate rhymes and rhythms. It's a heartbreak song. So okay, let's change the title of the song. So I'll say let me use sad. Create a professional heartbreak music with the title Sad. I need up to 4 verses and chorus after every verse. Incorporate rhymes and rhythms. It's a heartbreak song. So I always like using these rhymes and rhythms so that because I like songs that have rhymes. I enjoy rhymes so much. So what I enjoy is what I would like to give out to. So all I have to do is to click enter, and this Cloud AI will generate the lyrics for us. So as you can see, the lyrics is it's writing the lyrics. You can see the verse one, we've seen the first chorus, verse two, the chorus, verse three, chorus, verse four, chorus. So that's just it. But what we are going to do here is the AI didn't write it in a professional lyrics way, in a way they normally write lyrics. So I'll just have to come here and tell the AI to say arrange it as a professional lyrics. So we just have to wait for the final output. Yeah. So this is it. This is the song written by your name, General Heartbreak Ballad intro. I see your shadow in the hallway lights, empty coffee cups where we talk all night and blah blah blah. So all we have to do is just to copy from this intro down to this fade out to here. We don't need all these other parts. It's just for it's just like a guideline or something. So we just have to copy it to here, then head over to Suno. Since you are using the custom and we are using manual lyrics mode, we just have to come here and paste our lyrics. Okay, now these are lyrics. These are the lyrics we want to use for this song we want to generate. Then over to the style, we let me paste this, the one I used before to generate song. You can use anyone. It's okay. The style here is heartbreak, R&B, so female vocal, emotional depth, saxophone. I like the sound of saxophone in my song, so I add saxophone, emotional depth. This is a duplicated emotional depth. So you can say keyboard. Want a touch of keyboard. Then drums. Let's use that. Then I think we'll be using a female vocal. Be using the female voice. Lyrics mode manual. Song title sad. Is our song title sad? So after all this, all we have to do is to hit create. Then wait for a few seconds. It will generate two different music for you with the same lyrics. So you just have to choose the one you like most between the two. You see the sad and you see the other side. These are other songs I've generated with these two. So let's play the first one to hear what it sounds like. Let's pause it now. So you can see the I went in the lyrics. I told the AI to first of all start with instrumental as the intro. So that's why you're hearing the beats, the saxophone, the drums, and everything before the actual first verse, which we hear the vocal. So it's following the prompt we gave to the Suno AI. So let's continue. Let's keep hearing what it sounds like.
I still see your shadow in the hallway light. Empty coffee cups where we talk all night. The silence screams louder than we ever fought.
Okay, so that's it for the first generation. We don't have time to listen to the song till the end, so that's just a glimpse of how it sounds like. So let's check the second one to see how the second one sounds like.
Mm. I still see your shadow in the hallway light. Empty coffee cups where we talk all night. The silence screams louder than we ever fought. Now I'm left with all the words I never taught myself to say when you were standing here. Now every room just echoes with your fear of staying, loving, trusting one more day. I watched you pack your heart and walk away. And I'm sad, so sad, lost in the wreckage of all we had.
Man, so that's just it. Sounds very like original, sound like human. This is mind blowing. So this is it on how to use Suno to create your music, AI music. It doesn't actually sound like AI, but AI music. Let's just call it that AI because it was created using AI. So after creating this music and you want to download or you want to save the music to your device, all you have to do is to head over to this three dot here next to the name of your songs and the prompts. This three dot here, click on it, then head over to download. Then you choose the format MP3 audio, WAV audio, or video. And so for this video, we'll be downloading the MP3 audio. So we just click on MP3 audio. So after that, after a few seconds, the audio will download. It will. This is it. SAD MP3 5.7 MB. So that's just it on creating music with Suno AI. So after this, you can use it to create videos on YouTube. You can upload it to Spotify, Apple Music, Boomplay, Tidal, Deezer, Pandora, any music streaming platform using any distributor like DistroKid, TuneCore, and the rest of them. So that's just it for this video. And that's how you create a full AI song in minutes using Suno. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you on the next one.